Good day, viewers. In our class today, we are going to learn how to translate word problems involving simultaneous linear equations. Okay? Our focus for this class is just to translate into mathematical equations. Okay? After this video, another video will come where we solve all the resulting linear equations. All right? So please click on the notification button so that you get notified as soon as that video drops. And we're begging that you please support us by subscribing to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button to subscribe. And if you're watching us via Facebook, please follow our page, share our videos to as many learners out there as there are. Thank you. Number one, it's very important that before you translate, you read the questions completely, okay, before translating. 7 cups and 8 plates cost 1,750. 8 cups and 7 plates cost 1,700. Calculate the cost of a cup and a plate. The first thing we do here, we let right, C represent a cup, right? P represents a plate. Okay, we're told that 7 cups and 8 plates cost 7 cups plus 8 plates cost what? 1,750. This is the first mathematical statement. We'll name it equation 1. Next, we have 8 cups and 7 plates cost 1,700. 8 cups and 7 plates cost 1,700. Second statement gives equation 2. We solve this equation, we get the cost of a cup and a plate. Number 2, 4 knives and 6 forks cost 700. 6 knives and 5 forks cost 800 naira. Find the cost of a knife and a fork. We let K represent a knife and F represents a what? A fork. Okay? 4 knives and 6 forks cost 700. 4 knives and plus 6 forks cost what? 700 naira. 6 knives and 5 forks, 6k, and 5 forks cost what? 800 naira. This is the first statement, equation 1. Second statement, equation 2. We solve and we get the cost of what? A knife and a fork. For number 3, half of A's money plus 1/5 of B's money makes 100 naira. 2/3 of A's money plus 2/5 of B's money makes 150 naira. How much has each? Okay, for the first statement, you have what? Half of that is 1/2 times A. Half of A's money plus 1/5 is 1/5 of B's makes 100 naira equals 100 naira. Okay, when you clear fractions, LCM is 10. Multiply each fraction by each term by 10. 10 times this. Okay, let me write it this way. 10 times A over 2 plus 10 times B over 5 equals 10 times 100 naira. We are doing this so that we can clear the fractions. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 2. We have 5A plus 2B equals 1,000 naira. This is our first mathematical equation, equation 1. I'll clean the upper part of the board for equation 2. Now for the second part of the statement, we're told 2/3 of A's money, 2/3 is 2/3, 2/3 of A's money plus 2/5 of B's. 2/5 is 2/5 of B's money equals, that is, makes 150 naira. With clear fractions, the LCM is 15. So you have 15 times what? 2A over 3 plus 15 times 2B over 5 equals 15 times 150 naira. Okay, What will this give us now? We have 3 here, 1, 3 here, 5, 5 here, 1, 5 here, 3. So we'll end up with 5 times 2a, 10a plus 3 times 2b, 6b equals 15 times 150. 15 times 15 is 225. I have your 0 error. This gives our equation 2. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. You solve the resulting equation, and then you have the cost, you have how much each has. Okay, now we'll move to the next set. Now for number 4, we are asked to divide 75 into 2 parts, so that one part is to the third of the other. So we let the 2 parts be what? X and Y. All right, if 75 is divided into X and Y, it means X plus Y, the sum of the 2 parts, will give us back 75. This is our equation what? 1. We're also told that one part is to third of the other. X equals to third of Y. All right, if you clear fractions, multiply both sides by 3, you have 3x equals what? 2y. All right, 3x minus 2y equals 0. Equation 2. All right, that is it for number 4. For number 5, a cyclist cycles for X hours at 12 km per hour and Y hours at 18 km per hour. Altogether, she cycles 78 km in 5 hours. Find X and Y. Now we're given the total distance covered and the total time taken. By definition, we know that distance equals to what? Speed times time. All right, so at this time, X hours, the distance will be what? 12 km times X hours. All right, 12 km per hour times X hours. So we're going to have 12x. Okay, at Y hours, distance is what? 18y plus 18y. Altogether, total distance is what? 78. This will give our equation 1. Equation 1. All right, this is distance at X hours, speed times time. Distance at Y hours, speed times time. Total distance is 78. For the total time, we're told the total time, the time was divided into X hours and Y hours. So total time, X plus Y equals 5. Equation what? 2. Simple as that. Now for number 6. Number 6 says the difference between the digits of a 2-digit number is 1. The number itself is 1 more than 5 times the sum of its digits. If the unit digit is greater than the 10th digit, find the number. The number is a 2-digit number, so we say let the digits be what? X and Y. Okay, so the number will be what now? X, Y. Now we're told that the difference between the digits is what? 1. We don't know if it is X minus Y or Y minus X. There's an information that will tell us more on that. If the unit digit is greater than the 10th digit, right? So when the unit digit is greater than 10th digit, that means it's going to be what? Y minus X. Okay, because if the 10th digit is greater and we do Y minus X, it means we're going to get a negative number. But since the unit digit is greater, so do Y minus X, it's going to give us a positive number, which is what? We're told is what? 1. Okay, this is equation 1. Also, we're told that what? The number itself is 1 more than 5 times the sum of its digits. The number itself, okay, the face value is what? XY. The actual number itself is what? X times Y units, right? That is what? 10x plus Y is the actual number, right? The number itself is what? 1 more than 5 times the sum of the digits. That is what? 5 times the sum of the digits. This is this plus what? 1. All right, this will give us the second equation. So let us simplify. We're going to have 10x plus y equals what? 5x plus 5y plus 1. Right? When we rearrange, we're going to have 10x minus 5x to give us what? 5x. Y minus 5y to give us what? Minus 4y equals 1, equation what? 2. And this gives the linear equations, equation 1, equation 2. Now we'll move to the next set of questions. Now for number 7, the question says the perimeter of the isosceles triangle below is 28 centimeters. Find x and y, and hence state the length of the sides of the triangle. An isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal. Okay, and also told that what the perimeter of the triangle is 28 centimeters. So I'm going to be using these two information to produce the linear equations. First, these two sides are equal. That is to say 4y equals 6y minus 2x plus 1. Okay, when we rearrange, we're going to have what? 2x come here to become minus 2x comes here to become what? 2x. All right, this is what? Plus 4y minus 6y equals 1. So we have what? 2x. 4y minus 6y is minus 2y equals 1. This gives our equation what? 1. Now the second equation, we also told that what? The perimeter of the triangle is what? 28, meaning 4y plus 6y minus 2x plus 1 plus x plus 2y equals 28. That is the sum of the sides of the triangle gives the perimeter. Okay, so we rearrange. We're going to have what? Minus 2x plus x is what? Minus x. Right? Is there terms of x? You know. So 4y plus 6y, 10y, 10y plus 2y plus 12y equals 28 minus 1. This plus 1 goes there to become minus 1. So we have minus x plus 12y equals 27. Equation 2. Okay? Therefore, we have what? Equation 1 gives 2x minus 2y equals 1. Equation 1. And minus x plus 12y equals 27. Equation 2. I don't need to repeat this, so let me delete this. All right, these are the equations for question 7. All right, now for question 8, it says if in the figure above, angle A is given to be this, angle B is given to be this, and C to be this, find MN and the sizes of angle A and B. Now, what do we know about the angles of this isosceles triangle? We know that what? The base angles are what? Equal. These angles are equal. All right? B equals to C. So what is B? That is to say 2n degrees minus 2 over 5 m degrees equals C, 2m degrees. With clear fractions, we're going to have what? LCM is 5, so multiply through by 5. You have 5 times 2n, 10n, right? Right? 5 times this minus 2m. Okay? All right? Let me just work without the degrees. All right? Equals what? 5 times 2m, 10m. Right? So what do you have now? We have 10n. 10m comes to become minus 2m minus 10m, which is minus 12m equals 0. All right? Also, this gives the first equation. Also, the sum of angles of an isosceles triangle equals to what? 180 degrees, meaning A plus B plus C equals to 180. That will give us another equation, right? So we have what now? Also, 2 O number 1 over 4 n changes to improper fraction. You have 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 4 n, right? Plus 1 over 2 m plus b, 2n minus 2 over 5 m plus c plus 2 m equals 180. Right? So we clear fractions, we obtain an equation. Let me clean this part. All right. So that from here now, we clear fractions. The LCM of 4, 2, and 5 is 20. Okay, it's 20. 20 times this, 4 into 25, 5 times 9, we have 45. N. 20 times this, 2 into 20, 10. Plus 10 M. 20 times this, plus 40 N. 20 times this, 5 into 24, 4 times 2, 8 minus 8 M. 20 times this, plus 40 M equals 20 times 18, 2 times 8, 36. You have 0, 0, 3,600. Next, we add the like terms together. 45N plus 40N is what? 85N. All right. Then in terms of M, 10M minus 8M is 2M plus 40M is plus 42M equals what? 3,600. Okay, that is second equation. Hence, therefore, our two equations are what? First, we have 10n minus 12m equals 0, equation 1. This, and then we have 85n plus 42m equals 3,600, equation 2. We solve this, we get the value of n and m, and then we proceed to what we are asked to find. Okay, now for the next set of question, for question 9, it says, in a two-digit number, the sum of the digits is 8. The difference between this number and the number with the digits reversed is 54. What is the number? Now we say the number is a two-digit number, right? So we let the two digit be what? X and Y. Okay, the first statement says the sum of the digits is 8, meaning X plus Y equals 8. All right. Now for the second statement, it says the difference between this number and the number with the digits reversed is 54. Okay, this number, the digit is what? X, Y. Okay, so the number is what now? X tens plus Y unit. That is 10x plus Y. So the difference between 10x plus Y, the difference, and the number with the digit reversed. When the digit is reversed, it becomes yx. That is 10y plus x. So this difference now, 10y plus x, we're told is what? 54. So we simplify this equation. Okay, we have what? 10x plus y minus 10y minus x equals 54. 10x minus x is 9x. Y minus 10y minus 9y equals 54. We divide through by 9. We have what? X minus y equals 9 by this is what? 6. Hence, we have what? X plus y equals 8 as equation 1, and x minus y equals 6 as equation 2. Now move to question 10. Now for number 10, it says, in a positive number of two digits, the sum of the digits is 15. If the digits are interchanged, the number is increased by 9. Find the number. So we let the digits of the number, let the digits be what? X and Y. All right? The sum of the digits is 15. That is x plus y equals 15. Next, we're told that if the digits are interchanged, that is, if it becomes yx, then the number will be what? 10y plus x. If the digits are interchanged, the number is increased by 9. So you have 10y plus x. If they are interchanged, then the number, which is what? 10x plus y, 10x plus y is increased by 9. Okay, so we simplify this. You have what? X minus 10x to give us minus 9x, 10y minus y plus 9y equals what? 9. Right? So you divide through by 9, you have what? Minus x, right, plus y equals 1. Right? Hence, we obtain the equation, the first equation, x plus y equals 15, equation 1, and the other, minus x plus y equals 1, equation 2. Okay? Then we'll move to number 11. For number 11, we're told that a woman's age and her son's age add up to 45 years. 5 years ago, the woman was 6 times as old as her son. How old was the woman when the son was born? We let the woman's age be x and son's age be what? Y. We're told that what? When you add up their ages, is going to give 45. That's x plus y equals 45. Right? 5 years ago, the woman will be what? X minus 5. And the son will be what? Y minus 5. So 5 years ago, the woman was 6 times. So we have x minus 5 equals 6 times the son's age. Y minus 5. Alright? How old was the woman? So we simplify this expression, this equation. You have x minus 5 equals 6y, 6 times y, 6y, 6 times minus 5, minus 30. Alright? You have x minus 6y equals minus 30 plus 5 is minus 25. Alright? So therefore we have the equations x plus y equals 45 as equation 1, and x minus 6y equals minus 25 as equation 2. Okay? Now move to the next set of question. Now we have 12 to 14 on the board. Question 12. BC's and Phoebe's ages add up to 29. 7 years ago, BC was twice as old as Phoebe. Find their present ages. We let B represent BC's age and F represent Phoebe's age. The first statement says what? Their ages add up to 29, meaning B plus F equals 29. We're also told that what? 7 years ago. 7 years ago, BC will be what? B minus 7. And Phoebe will be F minus 7 years, right? So 7 years ago, BC's age, that is B minus 7, is twice, BC is twice as old as Phoebe, twice F minus 7. Right? Simplify this, you have B minus 7 equals 2F minus 14. For like terms, you have, okay, you have B minus 2F equals minus 14 plus 7 is what? Minus 7. Therefore, we have the equation B plus F equals 29 as equation 1, and B minus 2F equals minus 7, equation 2. Now we'll go to number 13. Now for number 13, we're told that a man travels 10 kilometers in 50 minutes if he runs for 8 kilometers and walks for 2 kilometers. If he runs 4 kilometers and walks 6 kilometers, his time is 1 hour 15 minutes. Find his running and walking speed. We let his running and walking speeds be what? X and y. Right? So I'm going to form equation of what? Of times. We have 2 times given. Okay? We know that speed equals to distance over time. Right? Our speed equals to what? Distance over time. So time will be what now? Distance over speed. Okay? Okay? Distance over speed. So the time he runs for 8 kilometers will be what now? 8 over the running speed, x. So we have 8 over x plus the time he walks for 2 kilometers is what? 2 over the walking speed, y. 2 over y. This will amount to what? 50 minutes. Take note, our speed is in kilometers per hour. So change 50 minutes to hour, divide by 60. 50 divided by 60 is what? 5 over 6. You have 5 over 6. When you clear fractions, multiplying by 6xy. 6xy times 8 over x. X cancel x, right? You have 48y. 48y plus 6xy times 2. Y cancel y. 6x times 2, 12x equals 6xy times 5. 6 cancel 6, you have 5xy. Okay, let me clean this part of the board. All right, next statement, we're told if he runs 4 kilometers, the time he runs for 4 kilometers is what? 4 over the running speed, that is 4 over x, plus, and walk for 6 kilometers at time what? 6 over what? Walking speed, that is 6 over y. This time amounts to what? 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. 15 minutes is 15 over 60, right? 15 over 60. This is 1. This is what? 4. We have 1 number 1 over 4, which is what? Right? 15 over 60 is 1 over 4. Okay? So we have 1 whole number 1 over 4. 1 whole number 1 over 4, which is what? 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 4. So with clear fractions, LCM is 4xy. 4xy times this, 4 over x. X cancel x. You have 4y times 4, 16y. Plus 4xy times 6. Y cancel y. 4x times 6, 24x. Equals 4xy times this. 4 cancel 4. Xy times 5, 5xy. Therefore, we have 48y plus 12x equals 5xy as equation 1, and also 16y plus 24x equals 5xy as equation 2. Okay, we move to number 14 now. All right, for number 14 now, if 1 is added to both the numerator and denominator of a fraction, the fraction becomes 1 over 2. If 8 is added to both, the fraction becomes 2 over 3. What is the fraction? Let the fraction be x over y, right? The first statement, if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, you have x plus 1 over y plus 1, right? We have 1 over 2, right? We cross multiply, you have, or when you clear fractions, multiply by the LCM. The LCM is what? 2y plus 1, right? Multiply this by this, y plus y cancel y plus 1, you have what? 2 into x plus 1, right? Equals, multiply this by this, 2 cancel 2, you have what? Y plus 1. This gives us what? 2x plus 2, let's open the bracket, equals y plus 1. When we arrange, you have what? 2x minus 1 minus y, this y comes minus y, equals 1 minus 2, you have minus 1, right? Also, the second statement says if 8 is added to both x plus 8 over y plus 8, right, the fraction becomes 2 over 3. Let me clean this upper part. Okay, multiply both sides, multiply by clear fraction by multiplying by the LCM. The LCM here is what? 3 into y plus 8. 3 into y plus 8 times this, y plus 8 cancel y plus 8, you have 3 into x plus 8, right? Equals, multiply this fraction by this, 3 cancel 3, you have what? 2 into y plus 8. Simplify, you have 3x, 3 times 8 plus 24 equals 2 times y, 2y plus 2 times 8, 16. So you have 3x minus 2y equals 16. 16 minus 24 is what? 8 minus 8. All right, 16 minus 24 is minus 8. So therefore, we have the first equation to be what? 2x minus y equals minus 1, equation 1, and also 3x minus 2y equals minus 8, equation 2. And that is all we have for you for the translation interpretation of the word problems. In our next video, we're going to solve all the resulting equations. If you enjoy our videos and you're watching via YouTube, please subscribe. And if you are watching via our Facebook page, please follow our page and share our videos. Thank you for listening. God bless you.